Today, I'm taking you inside 6680 Keystone Drive, Unit 344, where you have expansive main channel views, incredible lakefront living, vaulted ceilings, and all the natural light. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how open this floor plan feels. The vaulted ceilings and abundance of natural light make this space feel even larger. Whether you're entertaining family and friends or simply relaxing after a day on the water, this open living area is the perfect place to gather. With 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, there's plenty of room for everyone. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a full-time lake home, the layout offers the space and flexibility you're looking for. The primary suite is a true retreat with private access to the deck, a spacious ensuite bathroom, and a walk-in closet. It's the perfect place to wake up and enjoy the lake views every morning. This is where you'll probably find yourself spending most of the time. Picture yourself enjoying your morning coffee, watching the boats cruise by during the day, or winding down with your favorite drink as the sun begins to set. These are the moments that make lake living so special. This unit comes with a PWC slip and a 14x36 boat slip. Whether you enjoy cruising, water sports, or simply spending the day exploring the lake, you'll be ready to get out on the water whenever you are. Keystone Village offers beautifully maintained grounds, a lakeside pool, and one of the most convenient locations in Osage Beach. You're just minutes from shopping, restaurants, entertainment, and many of the lake's favorite waterfront destinations. If you're ready to make lake life your everyday life, give me a call, Melissa Collins at Krantz & Associates, 573-302-2355. I cannot wait to show you this condo.